Brimell Toyota. We have a Drive Shield certified 17 Toyota RAV4 SE all-wheel drive. Let's take a look and see what this vehicle has to offer. This vehicle has power mirrors, windows and locks, automatic driver's side window, full leather interior, power seating, a sunroof up top, and it comfortably seats 5 passengers. This vehicle also comes with steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls, plus a heated steering wheel. It has a built-in navigation system. Comes with AM, FM, and XM radio stations, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio. Has a rear view camera, dual climate control, heated seating, and many more great features.